right, guys, we just got here. We got the crew ready to go. We're at the Bentley Sales Center, about to get our iTints installed. And what are we doing here? Well, you know it. We are installing our iTints electric smart film. And due to the fact that Bentley is known for its design, its luxury, and its high-end vehicles, iTints fits perfect when it comes to adding this type of new technology to their windows. We are now unboxing our iTints electric smart film. We already have all the films, all the panels pre-cut, pre-wired to exact measurements. Every project is custom, is unique, so it requires a tailored fit. So right here, we have our master technician, Ernesto. He is the technician that's in charge of electrical wiring. He presets all the wires. He installs the power supply, transformer to whatever electrical outlet. In this case, we went ahead and put an access panel. We put our transformer inside so that you can't see anything. We also went ahead and painted it so that it looks all very, very clean look. And let me show you what it looks like. You can see, access panel gets removed, transformer goes inside, it's not there yet. We put another outlet in there so that it looks very sleek and looks flawless.